Out of everything that is on display outside, these are all original gowns, not just worn by me, but also worn by different icons. As you can see, some of you might have seen the Ashwari Rai gown by Michael Cinco. But some of these items, especially the ones that I own, the shoes, the accessories, some of the gowns, they're about 8 years old or older. So, nasa sa inyo na yan, if you want to try to wear it again or not. But because this is new, Tito Albert can fit it into the measurements of whoever is going to win the bid. So, we can have it sent to Tito Albert, and then we can have it tailored for you. I also plan on doing the same with other gowns. So, thank you so much. Okay, as I was saying, itong Love Gala, hindi lang ito isang event. Isa itong movement. A movement fueled by love, hope, and the courage to make a difference. So tonight, we honored Love Yourself's incredible 22 self-sustaining centers and 72 champion community centers all around the Philippines. These numbers mean that these are all the lives saved, communities empowered, and futures made brighter. But habang pinagdiriwan natin ang mga tagumpay na to, kailangan din nating harapin ang katotohanan na marami pa talaga tayong dapat gawin. Kaya gusto ko magpasalamat sa ating mga sponsors, sa ating mga partners ngayong gabi. Thank you for believing in our vision and making it into a reality. Your generosity keeps our programs alive and impactful. Maraming salamat din sa mga advocates natin at mga allies. At tulad ng sinabi ko noon, advocacy doesn't end when the crown comes off. And you've proven that with the work that we've done together. But as we go home tonight, I hope we remember that the fight is far from over. May malaking hamon pa sa atin, but there's also a big opportunity. Kaya dalhin natin ang inspirasyong to, gamitin natin ang moment na to para gumawa ng mas malawak na epekto. Let's push for safer spaces, empower more communities, and use our platforms to amplify this cause. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa HIV awareness. It's about making sure that every Filipino, our youth, our LGBTQIA+ community, and even our OFWs have access to holistic health services, support systems, and a future that they can look forward to. So tonight, I challenge all of us. Let's dream bigger, act bolder, and love harder. Together, we can create a world where everyone feels safe, seen, and empowered. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, and see you all again at the next Love Gala, and let's keep the love going. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Wow.